Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. These are mistakes that I made after 10 years in music production, 10 years FL Studio, 10 years in music making, I would say, producing. Um, so I was pondering on this for a while. I actually literally just took like a nap, kind of, and I was laying on my bed and these ideas were just rushing to me. I was like, let me just talk about it because my core purpose, other than to get affiliate traffic and money, is to educate you guys and push the human movement. That's like the real drive here is, AI is here. I'm like, dude, how can I help my young aspiring, music producers? So, these are the six mistakes that I made. And yeah. Oh, also, like, feel free to write some that you think you made. I always try to make this more of like a community vibe. Obviously this is a smaller channel. So feel free to like share what you think or what yours are. I'd love to hear it. But without further ado, number one, trying to sound like others. Not going to spend too much time on this one, but I think literally, especially with the advent of AI, is like, hey, the more unique you are, the better. Like, the more human you are, the better. Even if you make mistakes, even if you have a wonky way of doing something, you know, just keep working on your game. It's almost like more of a numbers game than anything else. Like, it's really just the reps, the amount of beats you put in, the tweaking, the feedback. It's like all those little things. And after some time, you're going to get to the point where it's really polished. Just like same thing with like almost anything, whether you're practicing a sport or whatever. You don't need to play like just like in a sport. You don't need to play like Messi to be good. You don't need to make beats like Metro Boomin to be good. You just need to make kind of like what they always cliche say, be the best version of yourself. Like for example, I take a very melody first approach. I use kind of unconventional BPMs. You can't see mine here, but it's actually 324. Like I use weird BPMs. Like I do unconventional stuff, but it's like it works and I have the most fun doing it. So my other one is buy large, buy smart. There's kind of two parts to this, and I say go through FL first. First, like kind of buy large, as in like certain things like midis, for example. The reason I always suggest this midi, even though it's $250, which may be outside some of your initial budget, is that like this MIDI will probably last me like 20, 30, maybe even the rest of my music career. So you don't need to buy like a new MIDI keyboard every like 2 years. So it's smarter to just save up. Like you will like literally say for example, I buy like a $120 one and then 2 years later I buy this one. So I could have just saved $120 and just bought this one initially. And that's how a lot of hardware works. And hardware is different to me in music production from software. Like hardware is more like you want to get the best of that you can afford. And those are always the hardwares that I suggest. I don't suggest like cheap hardware that doesn't work. I'm always suggesting like top tier stuff. And it's because like it reflects. And yeah, like that's the best I could say. And part two of that advice is go through FL first. If you use FL Studio, go through FL first. Like go through all these plugins that come with FL. Like I recommend getting the all plugins edition. Click the link in the description. By the way, both the links here. This one, the media that I use, and then for FL, I should have both the links in the description. Get the all plugins edition. It's actually on sale now. So depending on when you watch this, but get the all plugins edition. Man, I'm telling you, it's smarter than buying individual plugins. Now, free ones is cool. If you get some free plugins, I'm all for free plugins. That's cool. But I think paying for third party like VST type of plugins, I think is kind of pointless if you haven't gone through all of the FL plugins. So for example, like I said, there's I recently got the all plugins, and I've never used Harmor, Morphine. Like I've never used any of these, and I just started using them. And I'm like, dang, like these plugins are just as good as the ones that I paid for. Like honestly, they're as good as Electra X. They're as good as Nexus. Like I'd argue better because they fit the screen better because they're not like third party plugins to me can be kind of janky. Like even if they sound good, like sometimes like they'll make you log in your email first or like just weird stuff, dude. Like the frame. I'll show you an example. This is Synthmaster. Now this one was free when I got it, but I think it's like $99. You see how this is just like weirdly small? Like I don't off the top of my head, like I don't know how to fix this. I could probably look it up, but it's like third party plugins are weird to me. Even though I just used that one. But basically what I'm saying is be smart with how you use your money. Like just go big. Like go through FL first before you start investing in third party plugins, especially the paid ones. I recommend. Um, this one's a little funny because it's true to me, but don't buy drum kits. I feel like there's just so many free drum kits that are really good. It's like one of those things. I just don't think you really need to buy drum kits. Like, I wish if I had all the drum kit money back right now, I don't think it would have made a big difference. Like, just get free kits. Like, honestly, like you could probably find some really good free kits. Um, and let me just move on to the next one. Buy what fits you. So it's kind of like my first point when I was like, don't try to sound like others. Buy what like floats your boat. All right. So like for instance, my MIDI is perfect for me. It might not be the perfect situation for everyone else. Like I like a drum pad. I like the 49 keys. I think 49 is the perfect length. Get what you think fits you. These last two are almost more so during in the actual beat making process, and one is sound selection is key. So like I always take more like anybody now can take their time more and select better sounds. Like don't rush picking sounds. Like just take your time picking the sounds. That just is like patience. It's like you really just got to sit back and be like heck, even when I'm picking a melody sound instrument, I'll dang near go through the whole VST. Like literally. Now you don't have to be that extreme, but that's kind of like an idea of what I'm talking about. Like I'm trying to find the best sound or the best vibe for what I'm trying to do, you know. With every sound, you just want to take that step back and not rush it. And my last one is not using a drum pad. Kind of like what I just said. All right, my MIDI, it has to have a drum pad. I think my best form of drum making is with a drum pad. I think the drum pad just responds much better if you are playing like manually, as in like you're like actually playing in real time, like not placing the notes in, like actually playing it. Drum pad is what you want. Like it responds so much faster. It's more fun. It's just like the vibe. Drum pads are the vibe. Like and that's it, guys. Those are my mistakes I made. Um I haven't made too many because like life, like almost everything is like a positive learning lesson. It hasn't stopped me from, getting somewhere. Um Click the links in the description though. Hasn't stopped me from getting somewhere, so, you know. But let me know, guys. Let me know what mistakes you think you made. And yeah, let's be a fun community. Leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching as always, and peace out.